Little storyteller.
Nimbus was a very happy cloud. He loved to drift lazily across the big blue sky. Today, Nimbus floated right over a building that smelled super sweet. It was a candy factory, with tall pink chimneys puffing out sugary steam, and giant lollipops spinning on the roof. Nimbus giggled. It smelled like all his favorite treats mixed together. Suddenly, Nimbus felt a funny tickle. He started to wiggle and jiggle. And then, plink, 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 little colorful things started to fall out of him. They weren't raindrops. Oh no, these were tiny building bricks, just like toy Legos, but they smelled like yummy fruit. There were red ones that smelled like strawberries, yellow ones like bananas, and green ones like juicy apples. Below, in a sunny park filled with bright green grass and colorful flowers, a group of children were playing. There was Lily with her bright pink bow, Tom with his blue overalls, and Mia with her yellow hat. They looked up in surprise, as the colorful bricks started to gently fall all around them. Lily caught a red brick. "Wow, it smells like strawberries," she exclaimed, her eyes wide with wonder. Tom picked up a yellow one. "And this one smells like banana." Mia giggled and grabbed a green brick. "Mine smells like apple." "Look!" The children started to collect the fruity bricks. Soon they had piles of red, yellow, and green pieces. "Let's build something," suggested Tom. Lily and Mia clapped their hands in excitement. They started to click the bricks together. They built a little house with red walls and a yellow roof. Then they built a funny-looking car with green wheels and a blue windshield. Every now and then, they would pop a tiny brick into their mouths and munch happily on the fruity flavor. Nimbus watched them from above, his cloud face beaming. He loved seeing the children having so much fun with his fruity rain. As the sun began to set, painting the sky in shades of orange and pink, Nimbus gently floated away. The children waved goodbye, their bellies full of fruity bricks, and their hearts full of joy. The next day, the children shared the remaining fruity bricks with their friends. They learned that building and playing together was even more fun, especially when you had yummy edible toys to share.
Please subscribe. Thank you.